Okay, folks, we had the big nor'easter, 25 inches up here in the mountains, going up Bromley Mountain in Vermont. Take you up to the Bromley ski resort. You see all the trees are all folded over, got so much snow they're ready to snap off. It's the effects after the nor'easter. A lot of trees are just laying over. See them all, just hanging over the road. That's what it looks like after 5 days of snow. Good 25 inches up here, so another winter wonderland. Have our snow for Christmas. Looks like we still got some snow going on up here. We're up to the top now, so just around the corner and down the bend is the Bromley Ski Resort. I don't know if anybody's ever been up to Vermont to go skiing. This is where you get all the snow. Everything's snowed in. The roads are nice and clear now. You get through. Yeah, beautiful place. Spot up to the top now. Just one more dip and we'll be up. It's a ski resort. There's a parking for Bromley right there. I'll show you the ski resort on the other side and get a little view off of here, the mountains. Yeah, they're pretty much snowed in down there now. You can see that right across. Okay, we're coming up on the ski resort. It is up here on the left. And you can stay at the Bromley Sun Lodge. Right there's the Sun Lodge. And there's where to go all the skiing. All the people getting ready to go skiing. There's all the ski lifts up there. People getting ready to go skiing down the mountain. Alright. Some more ski runs up there crossing the horizon. Just wanted to show you how the trees look. Now we're coming down the mountain on the other side. The trees aren't as full. The color. There's the Bromley Market. Stay on the road so don't run into somebody. Well, that was about it. All the beautiful snow. Now we're coming down the mountain. It didn't snow as much, but Peru gets a lot. Alright, guess we'll leave it at that. Trees coming up the mountain were the most beautiful. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Got a few of the Christmas trees. Or as they call festive trees. We're not allowed to have Christmas anymore. No more Merry Christmas, it's Happy Holidays. So, pretty much the end of the world now. Our freedom is lost. There you go. Thanks for watching.